right, and welcome to Crafty with the Girls. Today, we're making bird seed ornaments. It's a fun thing for you to do yourself or with the grandkids to keep them occupied for the summertime. We're gonna need bird seed, corn syrup, flour, gelatin, and water to do this. So for the first step for the bird seed ornaments, you're gonna need a half a cup of water, 3 teaspoons of gelatin, unflavored, and 3 tablespoons of corn syrup. Heat up the mixture and stir until well combined. So we've made our mixture of water, gelatin, and corn syrup. Make sure you get it warmed, but do not boil. Then you're going to take your 4 cups of birdseed and 3/4 cups of flour and mix together.
Tasty. If I was a bird, I'd eat it.
We're baking for the birds.
It is for the birds. This whole coronavirus is for the birds.
It is.
Okay.
Once that's all combined, you'll add in your water mixture.
Fold in until it's all wet.
Yes.
Oh, it even smells good. Do you have to brush on this, or does it set up, or?
No, it actually takes overnight.
Oh, okay. So no need to spray it out of your bowl.
Right.
That's a good arm workout. Oh, now does it smell so good? It smells like fruits. Okay, how's that?
Perfect. Now that you have it all combined, you're going to need cookie cutters. They can be any shape, or dino, leaf, pumpkin, ghost,
Puppy dog.
or you can even use an orange rind. For the cookie cutters, you're going to want to spray them to pop them out a lot easier. Since you won't be popping them out of the orange rind, you don't have to spray that. Now you'll put the mixture into each cookie cutter, fill it up to the top, and let set overnight. You'll also need a straw for each one in a cookie cutter to make a hole for the string to go through to hang in the tree.
Can you do that afterwards?
Yes.
Okay, well, let's do the puppy. I would imagine if you sprayed your hands too, it might
Probably would help.
help.
You wanna spray?
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, much better. And my guess is it maybe a smaller spoon. Now, do you want to press that tight, Leslie? You want
Yes.
to press it down?
Press it down tight, and then you take your straw, stick it in,
Oh, and leave it.
and let it set overnight.
Okay.
can see where kids would have fun doing this. And really, it's not that messy. And don't need that much supervision.
So for the orange rind, just take half and fill it up with birdseed.
And don't forget to eat the orange. It's good for you.
Full of vitamin C.
Vitamin C. Now, would you be hanging this up, or this set on a fence post, or?
You can string it.
Oh.
And tomorrow, once it dries, we'll go over how you string it.
Okay, there we go. And that's what we got with 4 cups.
We have 14 bird feeders.
A little more in the dinosaur.
So we'll see you tomorrow when we pop them out of their molds and string them to put them in the tree. Well, we're back. We've let our bird seed ornaments stay overnight and dry. And now we're gonna string them so you can hang them in the tree for the birds to enjoy.
And if you want to see, they do come out pretty easy. And the hole. Now, if by chance one comes out and the straw still has some seed, you can see you can just push it through. So you've got your hole. And even the little spider, which we weren't sure about, came out with his little legs. So that was cute. So they hold together pretty good. So on the string, you want to cut about 1 foot. And we've used twine. Is that twine? Twine. We've got a couple here. Just put it through the hole. For all you darners out there. Bring the 2 ends together. And tie a knot, which is the easiest way to do it. You could get fancy with ribbon, white string, any kind of colored string, and there you go.
And for the orange, you can use a toothpick to poke a hole through. And then you're gonna need 3 pieces of twine, about 1 foot each, and you'll string it through the hole. If you have a darning needle, it'll make it go a lot faster. But you can still use a toothpick, push it through, and then tie it about 4 times to give it a good knot on the end to hold it. So let me get the last one put in there. And Lori, you were correct.
I know I jinxed it, I'm sorry. Because the first 2 went through. Only Leslie could do this because I wouldn't have the patience. So if you do have a darning needle, that would be awesome. And darn, we don't have one. There you go.
And then tie a little knot at the end. And then you'll take all 3 pieces of twine and then tie it at the top. Ta-da!
Yay! And it smells good too.
Mm-hmm.
The rind smells really good. Now if you get one where, like on this one, I did the hole and it broke. So just tie the string around one of the notches and you can hang it up like that, because really the birds don't care. They're looking for the food. So you really can't go wrong with these.
Right?
So I'm excited to put them out for the birds. We're gonna have some video of them being devoured.
And if you guys make these, send us your photos or videos of the birds enjoying the bird seed ornaments. I hope you guys have enjoyed our video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
branch in my eye.
Beware that bird seed in the eye can be dangerous, if you notice, Michelle. But also make sure you put this on a heavier branch, because you get a couple of birds on there, it's going to end up with a mess. And don't put it anywhere you don't want bird poo. It just looks good enough to eat.
Okay, so I'm going to try hanging this one. I think next time I'm using safety goggles so nothing goes in my eye. Alright, there we go. The birds can feast now.